listening and practice.
Once upon a time in the bustling city of Verona, there lived a poor but kind-hearted young man named Luca. He resided in a modest neighborhood, struggling to make ends meet by working odd jobs and selling handcrafted trinkets in the local market. Despite his financial struggles, Luca possessed a spirit full of dreams and a heart brimming with kindness. Across town, in the lap of luxury, lived Isabella, the daughter of a wealthy industrialist. She was a beautiful and vivacious young woman, blessed with every material comfort money could provide. However, her life was far from perfect, as her parents' obsession with social status left her feeling lonely and unfulfilled. One sunny afternoon, fate intervened when Luca set up a small stall at the Verona Spring Festival. His booth featured intricate hand-carved wooden figurines, each crafted with love and care. Isabella, accompanied by her overbearing parents, happened upon Luca's stall while exploring the festival. As Isabella examined the delicate figurines, her eyes met Luca's. Instantly, there was a spark between them, a connection that transcended their different worlds. She purchased one of Luca's creations, a beautifully carved swan, and their fingers brushed ever so briefly as he handed it to her. Over the next few weeks, Isabella found herself returning to Luca's stall. Their conversations were filled with laughter and a growing sense of familiarity. Luca, a talented musician as well, would often play his guitar, serenading Isabella with soulful melodies under the moonlight. Their secret rendezvous continued, hidden from the prying eyes of Isabella's disapproving parents. Their love deepened with every stolen moment they spent together, as they shared their hopes, dreams, and fears. Luca's kindness and authenticity captured Isabella's heart, while she brought joy and adventure into his otherwise mundane life. As their love blossomed, Isabella knew she had to make a choice. She could continue living a life dictated by her parents' expectations, or she could follow her heart and be with the man who had shown her a world of genuine love and happiness. One fateful evening, with tears in her eyes, Isabella confronted her parents about her feelings for Luca. The confrontation was emotional and intense, but Isabella's determination to be with the man she loved prevailed. Her parents, seeing the sincerity in her eyes, eventually relented and allowed her to follow her heart. Luca and Isabella's love story was a testament to the power of love to bridge the gap between social classes. They faced challenges and obstacles along the way, but their love endured, proving that true love knows no bounds. Together, they built a life filled with love, creativity, and compassion, and their love story became a legend in the city of Verona, a reminder that love can conquer all obstacles, even the barriers of wealth and social status.